In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show hidden emails in a message thread in Gmail. When you use Gmail, messages with the same subject often group together into a single conversation, also called a thread. This keeps your inbox cleaner, but it can also make it look like some emails are missing. In many cases, Gmail simply collapses the middle messages in that thread to save space. The good news is that you can expand the thread and reveal those hidden emails in just a moment. First, go to your Gmail inbox in a web browser. Once you are looking at your inbox list, find the email conversation you want to review. Open that conversation by clicking on it. In this example, the thread may appear with a blank subject line or something similar. But the key is that you are opening the full conversation view, not just previewing it. After the thread opens, look in the middle of the conversation, between the first email and the most recent email. If Gmail has collapsed messages, you will usually see a small indicator in that gap. It may look like a dotted line icon with 3 dots, or it may show a small number that represents how many messages are hidden in the middle. Click that dotted line icon or the number indicator. As soon as you click it, Gmail expands the thread and displays those previously hidden middle emails. This is useful when you need to follow the full timeline of replies, confirm who said what, or locate an attachment that was sent earlier in the conversation. If you want to open every message in the thread at once, you can also use the Expand All option near the top right of the conversation view. Selecting Expand All reveals the entire chain, so you can scroll through everything without missing any messages that Gmail tucked away. A quick tip: once the thread is expanded, take a moment to scroll slowly. Hidden messages can include quoted text, forwarded content, or important details that do not appear in the latest reply. And that is all there is to it.